Hi, the first app I am going to present to you today is Seesaw. It's also a website. So you go to Seesaw, the website, and you can create classes, and you will see, you go to sign in, because I already have an account. I use Seesaw in my classes. I really like Seesaw because it allows you, the teacher, to hear students at all times, and it creates a digital portfolio for you for you and your students without having to do any specific things. If you click here under my name, you will see all the classes I have, and I could create an extra class. I'm going to stay in Spanish 4, and I'm going to see the last thing that a student posted. And see, this student, and I liked it because I graded it. So whenever I like it, it's because I graded it. But here you can see that this video has been seen by mom and dad because parents are connected, and also by me. Oh, no, because I liked it. Students cannot see when I see it. There's other features that you need to pay for, but I don't have a paying account for Seesaw. If you click under a specific student, you can see all the posts that that student has added through the year. So you can see an assignment by itself, or you can see each specific student. So it's very easy for grading. So I really like Seesaw. The second app is Sway. This is Sway. So we're going to go here to create a new one. Sway is a Microsoft add-on or app. Here is the homepage for Sway. You can just create a new one and start from scratch, or you can go to start from a topic, and let's just check dinosaurs. Let's spell that right. So we'll go to dinosaurs. This is already a pre-made Sway, and you can add or erase any information. So here, let's say I would look over these, right? And I would like what I see. I would add whatever information and pictures that I want. And then I just go to play. And here you are. This is my presentation. It's taken me very little. I've just added the information I wanted and used some of the information they already had ready. So I would have all this different kinds of information and pictures that I could. So it's a really nice structure, a really nice beginning for a presentation, and it looks really nice and professional. Once you've created your Sway, you can edit it at any time. You can share it. You can get a link and post it anywhere. And finally, you can go to the 3 dots. You can save this as a template. You can print it. You can export it. So it's really cool. I think it's really useful for me because I like whatever tool allows you to do things nice and quick, and the result is professional looking. That's always a bonus. And finally, my third app is Gubrick, which is a Google app. So I go to my Google Classroom, and in order to find Gubrick, I go to Google Apps. I don't have it because I cannot download it because my admin has disabled the option. Oops. So once I'm in the Google Marketplace, I look for Gubrick, which is rubric for Google, and you will see how, oh, Gubrick, I did not spell that right. So okay, and here it is, and you can see that this app, I cannot download it, but you can see how this app allows you to have a rubric for each student's assignment in Google Classroom. So it is easy to grade and to give feedback without the need of paper. So all this is happening digitally, and the student is getting your feedback right away in their Google Classroom. This is very nice because I've been using Google Classroom for a while, but I was still printing my rubrics and giving the feedback to my students with paper, and I was not always consistent on how I turned the grade to them. Of course, I always posted, but it's hard to give students feedback in a timely manner when you have them every other day, and sometimes you forget because your class is busy and you're doing other things. So I think Gubrick offers that way of doing it that's digital and they can receive it right away. So I like that. I will be using this app next year. These are 3 of the 10 apps that I researched. These are 3 really nice ones, but my other apps are also very, very nice. I use some of them, and by doing this research, I've discovered some other ones. For example, Gubrick I had never heard of, neither had I heard of Sway. So I am really happy that I've got some more things to use next year that will make my life easier and better. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed my 3 apps.